Just what kind of suggestions should we get, Owen?
Your favorite Christmas present.
Okay. What's the best Christmas present you've ever gotten?
Snowboard.
Snowboard. I heard snowboard.
Snowboard.
Dad!
Yeah, son.
Oh, I'm so bored!
Well, try on those snow pants I bought you.
Oh, yeah, I did. They're too small. Look!
Yeah,
I look like a giant in children's pants.
I know, you've been growing. You've been growing a lot, son.
Well, you've been giving me the HGH for breakfast.
Daniel, HGH, you have way too much of that all the time.
I got it because I want to be the HLG.
Oh, man. If only I knew what this stuff meant, LOL. You and kids in this lingo nowadays.
HGH is human growth hormone. That's how you've been feeding me in the morning and why I'm so rich.
Oh, that? I thought it was just high C.
No.
Oh.
HLG is head lifeguard, and the reason I was taking the drugs was because I aspired to be at the top of the lifeguard food chain. But alas, here we are, under 12 feet of snow, in a cabin,
Trying to fit into some snow pants.
trying to fit into some snow pants that don't fit anymore because of the HGH. Human HGH, human growth hormone.
Wow, that sounds like that new hit song by Chapel Roan.
Yeah, can we just start calling things what they are instead of abbreviating everything?
I would appreciate that, son.
Like, how come that has to be the RFG? How come it can't be the refrigerator?
That's a good point.
Why do we have to abbreviate refrigerator? It's just one word.
Yeah, why do you call it the CLT? The closet. You just take vowels out.
Well, I don't know, man. This is an unfurnished cabin in the middle of a desolate.
Oh, hey guys.
Oh, hey, Grandma.
Hey, honey.
Grandma?
Yeah.
Grandma, use the door next time. You're always coming through the window.
Because I've been lifting. I'm a power lifter.
She power lifts up in the loft where she takes her naps.
Yeah.
Right before my nap, I like to get a set. I brought the weights with me.
Grandma, you look great for a
74.
48-year-old. 78. What I'm saying, for 78, you look like you're
Thank
48.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
You kids, you're looking stronger than the last time I saw you.
Looking beefier, too. Look at him. He's a growing boy.
Hey Roger.
Grandpa!
Hey.
You're looking jacked. You're swole, Grandpa.
Yeah.
Looking tough. He can use the door. Look at that.
That's because he
Grandma.
does calisthenics. He's been doing them since the 40s.
You kids, good that you're starting him young because Grandpa had a hot sex life.
I know that.
Oh yeah, it's spicy.
I heard that, but that's how he made all of us.
Grandpa and Grandma are excited because American's Nazi again.
This is true. This is true.
Yeah, we're German. That doesn't mean we're the bad side of Germany. What are we telling you?
It's the only side of Germany.
Yeah.
These kids
The
don't
middle.
believe that any Germans can be good.
They can't. We're genetically disposed to evil.
Man.
It's literally in our blood. The way the giant German scientists made sure it was.
We're such a tight family. I love how we're all trying to work out and eat healthy right now. This is
Yeah,
great.
I think this is part of what they call the fitness to fascism pipeline.
Yeah, the FPL.
FFP.
Yeah, pipeline's one word.
I mean, I guess you could do 2 words.
Hey, what are you talking about going hard on my older grandson?
Daniel's my son, you
You're gonna
know.
go hard on him. Go hard
Go
on him.
fucking hard.
Fucking hard.
You need to go hard on him. Get him some snow pants that fit him.
Did Grandma and Grandpa not make a good enough impression on you on the way they treated the Jews in 1940s Russia and Poland and Germany and the rest of Europe?
I know how they
America
treat
at
the
that
Jews.
point. All right, we were here in America. You just can't. You don't have to care.
Yeah, so something they've been trying to tell us. We've been here the whole time.
Yeah.
We didn't become Nazis. We are not.
You're just.